In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to update your image for a fresh new look or simply want to add a bit more of your personality to your profile, changing your picture in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet effective way to personalize your experience. Let's walk through the steps together so you can make this change quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by heading over to your browser and navigating to the Teams website, or if you already have the application installed, just launch it on your device. Once you have Microsoft Teams open and you're signed in, you'll want to locate your current profile picture or your initials if you haven't yet added a picture. Look towards the top right corner of the interface. This is where you'll see your profile icon, so go ahead and click on that. As soon as you click, a small pop-up should appear, showcasing some of your account details, including your name, status, and current photo. In this pop-up menu, you'll want to click on your profile picture once more. This action will open up another menu specifically designed to adjust your profile picture. You'll now see options related to your photo, and amongst these, there should be an option labeled Upload. Clicking on Upload will allow you to select a new picture from your computer or device files. Once you click Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders. Here, it's essential to have a picture ready that you'd like to set as your profile photo. Navigate to the location of your desired image, select it by clicking, and then hit Open. This action should bring you back to Teams with a preview of your new profile picture right there in the menu. But we're not done yet. After seeing the preview and ensuring this is the image you want, look for a Save button within this menu. Clicking Save will finalize the changes and update your Microsoft Teams profile picture to your new selection. Now each time you log in or join in on a call, your freshly uploaded picture will be the face that represents you. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. By personalizing your profile, you not only make your account feel more like you, but also enhance your presence in team meetings and collaborative projects. This little touch of personalization is quick and helps make your digital interactions a tad more personal. Thanks for following along with me today, and I hope you enjoy your new profile picture.